It's the Texas weather discussion video. This is for Monday, the 25th of June. I'm Donovan Neal. North Texas weather remains pretty typical for the late June. Sunshine, heat, and humidity will be the main story for this week and then the next coming weeks. Let's take closer look at the upper air map late morning. We have an area of low pressure, main storm track westerlies remain up to the north of us. That actually weakens the area of high pressure located in the southeastern United States, but that's not changing anything in terms of our heat level as of 11:01, mostly in the mid to upper 80s in most spots in North Texas, and again we'll be up there in the upper 90s today. And take a look across the watch warning map. Things looking pretty quiet. We do have heat advisories issued for parts of the deep south, the central two-thirds of Alabama and Georgia, and parts of southern California, where they have heat indices of around 100 to 108. So they're having some dangerous heat there as well. Take a look at the convective outlook for today. Maybe some severe weather extending for parts of the plains into the mid-Atlantic states. Notice how we're in the green, which means a risk for very isolated thunderstorms, but no organized severe weather is expected. Tuesday, we've got a risk of severe storms for mainly parts of the Midwest, and on day 3, that risk shifts to the east. This is the average rainfall for the next 7 days. This is valid through Monday of next week. Down here in North Texas, nothing for the next 7 days. Maybe we'll see an isolated storm or two in some spots, but that's really about it. So let's take a look at the tropics. The Atlantic Basin remains quiet for the next 48 hours to 5 days. No chance of any tropical cyclone activity. So let's go on to the model output. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars. You can see we have that main storm track off to the north. Down here, very mild, hot, and dry, with highs in the mid to upper 90s. Wednesday, pretty much the same thing. Highs will be at or around the century mark, and lows will be in the upper 70s with mostly sunny skies. Same thing on Thursday, and same thing on Friday. This is Saturdays, the weekend begins. The weather really doesn't change much through the weekend as well. This is Saturday, and this is Sunday, the 1st of July. We pretty much, the region pretty much remains dry. Highs mostly in the upper 90s near the century mark with mostly sunny skies with a few clouds. Here's a week from today, Monday the 2nd of July. Heights are about where they should be for us, and down here we remain pretty quiet. Again, pretty typical weather. Highs should be in the upper 90s. And to the near century mark. And here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Thursday, the 6th of June. We have a big old heat ring starting to form in the southern and southwestern part of the U.S. Down here, we still remain quiet as a result of that. But you can see for the numbers coming off of the European ensemble, the European is printing 101 for DFW on Wednesday and 100 on Thursday as well. But the general consensus here is that for the closing of June into early July, highs should be near the century mark and lows should be in the upper 70s to low 80s. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll run it in the blog. Next video here should be posted at around noon tomorrow afternoon. If you can, catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and Godspeed.